children. Good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine children. Yes. Now, okay children. Today we will learn what children? Class 2nd Social Studies. Yes. So children, everyone take out your social textbook children. Yes children. Everyone take out your social textbook. Okay children. See children. Already we learned 9th lesson, food and clothes lesson completed children, and some hard works also completed. Isn't it children? Yes. Okay children, what we learn children? Food and clothes. We learn children what sources of food children. Yes. Most of our food comes from plant children. Yes. Next children. We also get some food from animals and milks also. Isn't it children? What children? Milk foods, cheese, butter, curd. Okay children, and meat food, eggs, fish, meat, chicken, these all are children. Okay? And cooked food, uncooked food. What children? Cooked food? Cooked food is pulses, salads, meat and eaten in cooked from. Okay? And raw eaten fruit children. Like tomato, cucumber, carrot can be eaten. Tomato also cooked food but eaten raw also children. Okay? Yes children. And clothes children, when we go to swim children, swimming pool that we wear swim suit. Yes children. Next children, and we wear cotton clothes when children? Summer season. Winter season, sweater and mufflers. Okay children? And rainy season we wear rains and gumboots. Okay children? And cotton, we get cotton from cotton land and ship. And astronaut children, go to space, that time astronaut wear what children? Space suit. And ballerinians wear tutu. Drivers wear driving suit. Cook wears apron and cap. Okay children? And student, nurse, lawyers and police wear uniform. Okay children? That we learn children. Already we learn this all. And some hard works also. Yes children? Now children, I'll give today some notes. Okay children? See children here. Page number 55. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A bit. Fill in the blanks. Okay children, what children fill in the blanks? We get food from dash and animals. What children? We get food from dash and animals. Where children? What children? Food and animals. What children? First one? Yes. Answer is plants. Plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Now children, second one. Food prevents us from falling dash. Food prevents us from dash children. What children answer? Sick. S-I-C-K, sick. Third one. Dash protects our body from heat, rain, cold and storm. Yes children. Dash protects our body from heat, rain, cold and storm. What children answer? Yes, very good. Answer is cloths. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloths. Fourth one children. We wear dash clothes in summer. Summer season what we wear children? Yes, cotton cloths. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Children, see children. First write in your textbook here children. Your textbook is completed. Write in your class workbook also. Okay children? Write neatly. Yes, children. We get food from dash and animals. Answer is plants. Food prevents us falling. Food prevents us from falling dash. Sick. Dash protect us body from heat, rain and cold and storm, children. Clothes. We wear dash clothes in summer. Cotton. Finish, children. Plants. 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 Sick. Sick. Clothes. Cloths. Cotton. Cotton. Okay, children. Finish, children, writing. Yes, very good. See, children, next week. What is the next week, children? Yes, next week is be beach. Write two examples. Two examples for each of the following. Yes, children. First one, children. What is the question, children? Traditional clothes. What is the traditional clothes, children? Like sari, dhoti, ghagra. These all are traditional dresses. Yes, children. Yes, children. Right, children. First one is dhoti. And second one is sari. Now, children, second one, people who wear uniform. People who wear uniform. Who, children? Students and doctors wear uniform. Yes, children. Students. STUDENTS. Students and doctor. 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 Yes, children. Third one. Food items eaten, cooked. Yes, children. Food items eaten, cooked, children. What, children? Food items? Eggs and meat. Yes, children. Eggs and meat. Cooked items, children. Fourth one. Food items eat raw. Yes, food items eat raw, children. What, children? Carrot, strawberry, cucumber. 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 Yes, children. Traditional dresses, traditional clothes. Dhoti and sari. DHOTI. Dhoti. SAREE. Sari. People who wear uniform. Students. STUDENTS. Students and doctor. 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 Food items eaten, cooked. EGG. Egg. MEAT. Meat. Food items eaten raw. Carrot and cucumber. CARROT. Carrot. CUCUMBER. Cucumber. Okay, children? Write here, children. Answers. Okay? Write, children. And everyone should write neatly. Okay, children? Start writing. following traditional clothes, dhoti and sari. dhoti, dhoti, sare. People who wear uniform, students and doctors. Food items eat cooked, egg and meat. Food items eaten raw, carrot and cucumber. Finish children? Yes. See children, see bit answer in one word. Okay children, answer in one word. Yes children. First one, what should we drink often? Yes children, what should we drink often? Answer is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Second one children, should we eat vegetables and fruit? Yes or no? Yes, we should eat vegetables and fruits. Third one children, what do astronauts wear when they go to space? Space suit. Space suit. Yes children, fourth one, what do Belgians wear? Here see children, Belgians wear tutus. T-U-T-U-S. Tutus. Okay children, write neatly in your textbook. Here children. Okay children, write neatly. Yes children, finish children. Answer in one word. What children? What should we drink often? What should we drink often? Answer is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. What should we eat vegetables and fruits? Yes. Y-E-S, yes. What do astronauts wear when they go to space? Space suit. S-P-E-S-P-A-C-E space. S-P-A-C-E space. S-U-I-T suit. Okay children, space suit. What do Belgians wear? Tutus. T-U-T-U-S. Finish children. Everyone should write neatly. Very good children. See children, here think. solve the cross about the different clause the way. Use the words in the help box. Yes, children. See here, one help boxes is there. See, children. Boxes is there, children. Yes. You write the correct answer. Cross and dawn. Yes, children. Give to some cross boxes and some dawn boxes, children. Yes. First one is when it's sunny and warm. What we wear, children? When it's sunny and warm. What we wear, children? Think, children. Yes, first one is t-shirt. And second one, children, when we go to bed, what we wear, children? Pyjamas. And when we go to school, uniform. When it rains, children, raincoats. And when it's cold, muffler. Yes, children, write neatly, children. First one is t-shirt. Second one is pyjamas. P-Y-J-A-M-A-S. Pyjamas. Third one is uniform. Fourth one is raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Coat. Fifth one, muffler. M-U-F-F-L-E-R. Yes, children. See, children. Cross. Here, write, children. T-shirt. When it's sunny and warm, we wear t-shirt. When we go to bed, we wear pyjamas. When we go to school, when we wear uniform. When it rains, we wear raincoats. And when it's cold, we wear muffler. Okay, children? Right, children? This like this only right and like this only right, children. Answers. Okay? And write neatly, children. Here, write, children, answers. Yes, children. Finish, children. What, children? Down. First, downwards. When it's sunny and warm, we wear t-shirts. When we go to bed, we wear pyjamas. When we go to school, we wear uniform. When it rains, we wear raincoat. When it's cold, we wear muffler. Yes, children. Cross and down. Here, write answers. Okay, children? See, children, life skills value. Which of these do you do? Always eat with your mouth closed? Yes. Start eating even before everyone has been served? Yes. Play with cutlery while waiting for the food? Wrong. Take only as much food as can you eat and not waste? Yes, children. Wrong. Enjoy, children, printing. You will need a handkerchief, fabric paint and a potatoes. Yes, children. Place the handkerchief on a table. 4 fabric paints into a drawer. Yes, children. Take the potato and ask an adult to keep cut the star, children. See, children, like this only, children. See. This one, children. And dip the design in the paint and the press into handkerchief. Make as many this print as you like and let the handkerchief dry. You know, have a beautiful printed handkerchief. Yes, children, take one handkerchief on a table. Pour fabric paint into a drawer and cut the star in potato star shape, children. You tell your mummy or father. Cut it star shape. And children, dip the design. Take the potato adult to start from it. Dip the design in the paint, then press into the handkerchief. Yes, children. Make as many of these printed as you like and let a handkerchief dry. See, children, like this only, children. See what a beautiful handkerchief, children. See here. Yes, children. Potato, cut it, star, any one design, cut it, children. And that potato dip color. Color the dip and again take the where, children, handkerchief. This light printed, children. See, beautiful handkerchief, children. Have a now beautiful printed handkerchief. Yes, children, your lesson is completed. Okay, children. Today, what you will write, children? Notes. Fill in the blanks. We get food from plants and animals. Food prevent us from falling sick. Clothes protect our body from heat, rain, cold and storm. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Okay, children, A bit. B bit, write two examples for each of the following. Traditional clothes, sari, dhoti. People who wear uniform, student and doctor. Food items eaten cooked meat and egg. Food items eaten raw, carrot and cucumber. Okay, children? C bit, answer in one word. What should we drink often? Water. What we eat vegetables and what should we eat vegetable and fruit? F. What do astronauts wear? They go to space. Spacesuit. What do Brazilians wear? Tutu. Okay, children, and this one also. Cross and down. When it's sunny and warm, we wear t-shirt. When we go to bed, we wear pajamas. When we go to school, uniform. When it rains, we wear raincoats. When it's cold, we wear muffler. Okay, children? Understood, children? Complete your lesson and notes also, children. Okay? Now, children, uniform. Who wear uniform, children? Students, nurse, lawyers, police, officers wear uniform. Yes, children? Okay. Yes, children. Now it's time for Sakshi. Sakshi, children. Homework. Yes, children. Sakshi, children. What? Page number 56. Page number 56. B bit and C bit. Yes, children. Page number B bit and C bit. This one, children. Write two examples for each of the following. That is B bit. C bit, answer in one word. Yes, children. Two bits. Write one time homework. Okay, children. Write one time homework in your classwork book. Same as classwork. B bit and C bit. Write Sakshi, children, in your classwork book only. Okay. Sakshi homework. Page number 56. B bit and C bit. Write one time homework. Okay, children? Understood, children? Yes, your homework is completed, children. Take the photo and send me my school, my home, gmail.com. You send, children. Okay, I'll check your homework. Okay, children? Understood, children? Yes. Okay, children? Take care and bye, children.